In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a location in BambooHR. Now to do this, first you want to go to your dashboard, click on the settings cogwheel button top right over here, and then this is going to take you into your settings of your account. From here, if you are of course the admin, you want to go to employee fields over here on the left, and when you click on this, you'll see of course all the fields of your employees, and here it says location. So you want to click on location over here, and now up top under location, it's going to say a new location. So you simply want to click on the new location over here, and you can just type in the location name, put in the street address over here, the city, the country, and the postcode, of course, as well as the country. And then over here, you have to go ahead and type in the time zone as well. So you have to click on here and select the time zone which is relevant, and then just click on the add button and you are good to go. You've successfully added a location in BambooHR. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.